How to find your Facebook drafts and post them. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first go to your Facebook application and then tap on your profile icon. After that, in this post section, go to reel and then over here you will see an option of drafts. If you have any saved drafts, it will appear over here. If not, since I do not have any drafts, it is not seen. But let me show you by adding a
How to
draft. So let me just save it as a draft first, and then just after that it will be appearing in this draft section. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.